What's going on, guys? An interesting one in the shop today for detailing and protection work. Let's go check it out. Look at this beauty. Don't see these often, do you? Lexus LC500 in what appears to be black, but when you get closer, it's a very, very deep grey. Absolutely stunning machine. Got the panoramic roof. Really cool interior. Big fan of Lexus. Awesome cruisers. And we're really looking forward to filming this one and doing a transformation. 3 or 4 time returning customer, absolutely fantastic gentleman. We've formed quite a good relationship as well. Somebody that is really welcome here, love having him here. So to you, sir, thank you very much. And I am gonna go the extra mile on this one and really get it looking how it deserves to look. Beautiful. So what I'll be doing now is, firstly, I'm waiting for Neil. Neil is just off getting us a hot chocolate from Costa. Thank you so much, Neil. And then what we're going to be doing is washing down this paintwork, fully decontaminating the car, and then we will be getting it in and starting the correction work. Not sure how much of the decon work I'm going to film. It's very boring in my opinion. When I watch these detailing videos and I see people just washing the car and decontaminating them, I actually get really bored. You guys might not, so we'll see what happens, but we'll go from there. So we're going to get all these in these little nooks and crannies. So really delicate rim here. So we're using non-acidic wheel cleaner. We're using the smaller wheel woolly to get right to the back of the drum or the wheel. And we're just gonna take our time with them. These are an absolutely stunning. I'm not really a massive fan of this kind of black and chrome, but these to me look amazing. I actually wouldn't change the color of these. These look incredible. And then obviously, once we've done all our detailing works, we're going to protect these up properly. Interior is having its full deep vacuum at the moment, and then we're going to move into the detailing practices. We are going to steam clean all the shuts, steam clean the seats, use proper leather cleaner in here and get it absolutely perfect for the customer. Then we're going to move on to the engine bay, and then we're going to start correcting the paint. So guys, using interior specific cleaner, and we are just getting this steering wheel using a Tampico proper leather brush to get this steering wheel looking fabulous, very shiny, and we want it to be nice and dull. Takes a little bit of time, but it's well worth the effort. I'm absolutely sweltering in here right now, and this hopefully should dry off to a nice dull finish. Let's see. Better. Better, better, better. Excuse me. See how it's gone dull? Yeah?
Yep.
That's better. See the difference? How shiny it was before?
Yeah.
You can turn it off.
Shiny leather is dirty leather.
You got it. All the way through the interior. And then we're going to feed the leather, and then we can close the door on this interior. So here she is, all complete. Crystal serum light, black. Look at the wheels, guys. Absolutely stunning with the brushed clear. It's a real special looking thing, that is. Beautiful. Look forward to the customer seeing it. Made a huge difference. There were some clips that you may have seen in the video of the body state, and that has come out really well. I love this angle of it as well. It looks so sporty. Please give us a subscribe, give us a follow. Thanks again, guys.